Why do you want to work for yourself? Is freelancing a substitute for your full-time job? An additional source of income? Or a chance to gain more work experience? The choice is yours when you freelance. In 2023, freelancers can achieve success in a variety of ways. You can embark on your journey in your spare time or as a full-time occupation. The 7 steps listed below will help you get past many of the common obstacles that new freelancers face, regardless of how you approach the situation. Number 1. Define your offering and service. The first step to becoming a freelancer is to turn your skills into service. To accomplish this, you will need to comprehend how your abilities can benefit a potential client. Try to imagine yourself as your ideal customer. What issues do they face? And how can your expertise help them resolve them? Recognizing that customers are looking for a solution to a problem is essential. To be a successful freelancer, you must comprehend the client's circumstance and offer your assistance to solve their problem. The way you package your skills as a service will be based on your responses to these questions. Number 2. Identify your ideal clientele. Now that you have a freelance service to offer, you will need to identify your ideal clientele. The first step is to determine the kind of customers who would be a good fit for your service. Are there any characteristics and problems that these clients share? Do they work in a particular industry? When you are just starting as a freelancer, just being good at what you do would not get you clients right away. For potential customers to learn more about your products and services, it is essential to present yourself to them. You will need to be involved in finding customers who might be interested. The majority of freelancers can get clients in platforms for posting freelancing jobs. Make use of existing networks and connections. Marketing, advertising, and outreach. Number 3. Create a pricing structure. Now that you have a firm understanding of your service and the people you want to sell it to, it's time to set a price. The objective is to get paid as much as possible without losing out on potential work. Therefore, the first step is to examine your rivals in the market. What are their prices for comparable freelance services? Setting a price for your freelancer services is not an exact science. The amount that customers are willing to pay has a lot of potential consequences. Experience in the industry, the length of the project, the deliverables, the complexity of the project, and the location of the client are all important considerations. Urgency. Number 4. Make a compelling portfolio from previous work. Creating a compelling portfolio is a crucial step in becoming a successful freelancer. By displaying your accomplishments and previous projects, your portfolio as a freelancer establishes the quality of your work. This is your chance to demonstrate to clients what you can do and how valuable your expertise is, rather than just telling them. Number 5. Establish a connection with your customer as a freelancer. Your customers are your business. It may seem obvious, but cultivating a positive working relationship with your customers is crucial. Instead of seeing work as a one-time transaction, successful freelancers build relationships with clients. A long-term partnership can result in new client referrals and repeat business. When developing a relationship with your customers, keep in mind the following important points. Do a great job. Client satisfaction necessitates high-quality work. To have a chance of developing a relationship with the client that will last for a long time, you must offer value and resolve the client's issue. Maintain contact with the client. Clients are more likely to continue working with you on future projects if you can communicate effectively with them. This strengthens your business relationship.